Hi, I'm Bernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a very exciting recipe for you. I've got the recipe for you of a flourless bread loaf. Whoa, let me show you what it looks like. Oh my goodness gracious me. Completely flourless, zero carbs. Whoa, crusty from the outside and soft from the inside. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. We are going to begin with the liquid ingredients. 1 cup of egg whites. You can use carton egg whites. 1 cup of warm water. Put that in. Now we're going to put in half a cup of olive oil. You can use any other fat that you like. Now into this we are going to put in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And we're going to just give this a light mix. You don't need to froth up the eggs or anything. And into this we are putting 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm just sprinkling it over. And half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now when we mix this in, you'll see that it will on its own begin to froth up. This is the reaction between baking soda and the vinegar. So that's good in the bowl. And now we're going to start with the star of the show, which is 1 cup of bamboo flour. Bamboo flour is this amazing new product. It really feels like white flour and it works great in baking savory or sweet recipes. So 1 cup of that, and now we're putting in half a cup of whole psyllium husk powder and 1/4 of a cup of egg white powder. So all this will help the rise and the texture. Of course, we're going to put in half a teaspoon of salt. I'm not adding any sweetener. You're welcome to use any tablespoon of sweetener if you like. Now I'm mixing this in and it's going to be a soupy mixture. You need to keep mixing it and then letting it rest. It will come into a thick dough. So now see the texture now in the bowl. This is after 10 minutes of little bit of mixing and letting it stand. I'm taking an ordinary loaf pan and I've lined it and I'm putting in the mixture, and I'm going to be just not like hard pressing it but making it smooth and nice end to end. And as you can see, it's so low inside the loaf pan, and now you'll see the beautiful, amazing rise. And of course the texture, which is absolutely amazing too. I made a little cut in the center so that it allows the heat to release. And I'm showing you it's gone into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. This is only after 20 minutes of baking. Beautiful rise, and this is after 50 to 55 minutes. It's piping hot, but I'm so excited to show it to you and cut a slice. It's too hot. My hands are getting, oh gosh, I can't even hold the loaf. And look at this beauty. Perfect bread texture. You're going to love this recipe. 0 carbs, very low in calories, and you can cut thick slices, thin slices. It's crusty on the inside, on the outside, and soft like bread. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Lots of love. Thanks for watching.